Peace, my crochet friends. Welcome back to the channel for another tutorial. Today we are learning how to crochet the granny pentagon. If you've been following me, you've been here with me, we have learned several granny shapes, including the hexagon, the granny circle, the granny square, the granny triangle. And now today we are learning the pentagon, which has 5 sides. All right. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, get ready for this fun tutorial, and we're going to learn how to make this granny shape today. Let's get started. I'm starting with 3 colors today, and these are my cool colors of green and blues, and I'm using a 4mm hook. As always, if you would like your pentagon to be larger, you can go with a larger size hook. Okay, and this is a 4-ply worsted weight acrylic yarn. I'm going to start with this light shade of green, and we are creating a chain of 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into this first chain, we will slip stitch and form a ring. Looks like that. All right, we will now chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And into the center of this ring, we will place 1 double crochet. Okay. And now we will chain 1 and place 2 more double crochet into the center of this ring. Chain 1 and again 2 more double crochet into the ring. Chain 1, 2 more double crochet into the ring. Chain 1, 2 more double crochet into the ring. You're going to do that until you have a total of 5 sets of 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we will slip stitch into the top of our beginning chain 3 over here. All right, and we should have what looks like that. Okay, so now I want to change my color, so I'm going to cut this green. I'm going to pull that through. Okay, just give all those little tails a little tug. And now we will switch to our next shade of blue. So for round 2, we're going to join into any of these chain 1 spaces that we've created. You can start there. Put your hook into the space. I'm going to lay my new yarn on top of the hook and pull it through. And now we chain up 3. Okay. Into this same space, we will place 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet into that same space. Okay, chain 1, move over to your next chain 1 space, which is here, and into that space we place 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet again into the same space. Chain 1. Okay. Into the next space. The tails are in the way there. In the next space, we place 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 again into the same space. Chain 1, again, next space, 2 double crochet, chain 1, to the next space, 2 double crochet, chain 1. For round 3, we will now locate the space here at the top of our pentagon, and that's where we're going to start. You can see that chain 1 space up there. So put your hook into that space, and we are now joining a new color. For me, that's going to be my dark blue. Pull that through. Just hold that. Chain up 3, 1, 2, and 3. And into this space, we will place a double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet in the same space. Now we will chain 1. This round is going to look a little different because now we're going to locate the space here, and we're only going to put 2 double crochet in that space. Okay? And then chain 1, move over to this next space here. This does count as a corner. All right? So in there, we will place 1 double crochet, another double crochet, chain 1, and then 2 more double crochet in that same space. Chain 1, okay? Your next space is here. We place 2 double crochet in there, chain 1, okay? Move over to your next space, which is going to count as a corner. And in there, we place 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet. So you're repeating that around. When you are not in a corner, you're just putting 2 double crochet and then chain 1. When you reach a corner, you're going to put 2 double crochet, a chain 1, and then 2 more double crochet into that same space. Okay. Okay, continue on. You're doing wonderful. Remember that when you get to the end of the round, you're going to chain 1 and then end that round by slip stitching into the top of your beginning chain 3. Okay. And I will meet you when we are ready for round 4. Okay. All right, we are ready for round 4. You can see that it is still maintaining its pentagon shape here. So for round 4, we're going to locate a corner, place your hook into the space. I've decided to go back to my light green for this last round. Chain up 3, 1, 2, and 3. And into that same space, we will place a double crochet, chain 1, 2 more double crochet in the same space, chain 1, okay. We're moving over to this next space. We're going to place 2 double crochet there, chain 1. In this next space, we place 2 double crochet because that's not a corner, okay? Chain 1. This next space here is a corner, so you're placing 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet in that same space, chain 1, in the next space, 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet in the next. You're going to continue that pattern all the way around until you get to the end of round 4. Okay, I have reached the end of round 4, and now we are ready to chain 1 and slip stitch into the top of our beginning chain 3. Okay, I'm going to cut that. And we have completed our granny pentagon. It is lovely. Let's measure it. And it is about 3.5 inches. Okay. Make sure you leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you are going to use your pentagon, what projects that you're working on, and what colors you decided to use for your pentagon shape. Remember that you can always use this as a substitute in any project that would normally call for a granny square. You can choose to do a pentagon or hexagon. And now we know how to make lots of fun shapes using the granny square technique. Okay, make sure you guys subscribe and like and share. Come back and see me again for another tutorial. Peace to you.